So guys, welcome to another fantastic video. So into this video I have this platform called Nexo. So if you have been looking for a way to make money and how you can invest your money, then watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I'll have showed you exactly how to make money using this platform. So I'm going to show you a lot of things involved, and I'm going to literally walk you through everything from the beginning to the last very step. So make sure to watch the video to the end. So if you click on the link I have in the description box below, you're going to be brought straight to this platform. And if you read carefully, it says here Nexo serves the next generation of wealth. So it's actually going to help you make money if you are interested in making money. So I'm going to show you a lot of things. So if I go to the advantages, you see these are the advantages of using the platform: fixed percentage, reliable guarantee, allocation, and the likes of it. Okay, so without wasting your time, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and how you can recharge, withdraw, and even do some practical example for you guys so that you can see exactly how everything works. So we're going to go to, if you click on this tick now, or if you also use the link I have in the description box below, it's going to bring you to this registration page. So right here, if you want to just register, so you can register using your email address or your mobile number, so whichever one works for you. So you can use your email address, can enter your email address here and enter a login password, and also enter a login security key. So the invitation code will be by default. If you click on the link I have in the description box below, it's going to come with an invitation code, so you don't need to stress. But if you don't have it, you can also copy the ones I have here and use. So once you do that, once you've filled in all of these details, you just click on register, and that's it. So in my case, I already registered, so I'm going to try and log in now so that I can show you how the platform looks like from the inside. Okay, so make sure you keep watching. So I'm going to log in my account now. Once I click on login, you're going to see that it's actually going to log me in successfully, and boom, once you are logged in, you're going to see this announcement message here. So you want to carefully also read this stuff before you leave here. So as you can see here, Nexo installer stake plan 2024 official launched, and Nexo Star Series staking products are now fully open for registration, participation. Build your portfolio with just one app designed for forwarding thinking investors. You have the project advantage. We have the flexible pledge, product type, and a whole lot of stuff. So make sure you carefully read all of these things. There's a lot of them that I won't be able to read totally completely in this video, but you want to go ahead to read all of these things so that you can understand exactly how the platform works. Now one good stuff is you can also reach out to their 24 hours or 24/7 customer support service via Telegram, which also will be in the description box below. So once you have finally read all of these things, then you can now close this thing up, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to recharge, how to withdraw, and how you can stake and make money off of this platform. But before I go ahead to show you all of these things, I'm also going to show you how to download the app, but I'll do that from my phone. So because I can't actually download the app here on my system, but I'll do that from my phone. So we keep watching. So right now, before we go straight to before I go straight into show you how to recharge and how you can withdraw, and also how you can stake on the platform, I want to also show you one important stuff about the platform. So they have this feature here called white books. So if you click on this white books now, it's going to open up all of their company documents and company goals and everything. So this is actually very important so that you can actually know exactly what the platform is talking about or what they're actually doing. So you can see here, say that the world's first instant crypto backed loan. So you can go ahead to read all of these things. You see why Nexo, experienced team, 10 years plus in fintech sources, reputable advisories, and a whole lot of other reasons why you should use Nexo to invest or to make money. So you have Nexo in numbers. This is the numbers that they have done in this amount of years, and you can also read more and more information about the company, what their mission is. As you can see, over the past 10 years, we have been providing instant loans to millions of people across Europe. We believe that the expanding digital world helps improve our lives. We would like to contribute by providing the world's first instant crypto backed loans. Nexo, enjoy your crypto wealth today without selling your assets. So all you just need to do is to put your assets here, and have it generate income for you. So you can go ahead to read all of this information, because you need to know exactly what you want to do before you go ahead to do it. So make sure you read all of those things and know exactly what the platform is talking about. So I want you to also know that this platform is backed by advanced technology and strict risk control, so to ensure that your money or your funds are safe. Okay, so it's backed by advanced technology, so make sure you also note that. So once you have done all of these things, you've created your account, you've read all this information, it's good for you to know all of these things, then we can go ahead and proceed with the step of recharging, withdrawing, and staking. Exactly, so know exactly how we make money off of this platform. So I'm going to do the rest of this video with my phone, so make sure you watch and you understand. Thank you very much. So I'm going to go to my phone now to complete the video. So guys, this is the platform from my mobile phone, so I'm going to complete the rest of the video from here. So right here, this is the platform, and I've showed you exactly what it looks like inside. So the first thing you want to do is, for ease of comfort or for ease of use, just click on this download an app. So you want to try and download the app on your phone. So if I click on app, it's going to say your browser does not support the installation of PWS. It's recommended to use Google Chrome or upgrade your browser. So I mean, if your browser is not up to speed with all of these things, you might not be able to download it. So I'm going to go ahead to use my Google Chrome now in order for me to be able to download the app. So stay with me. Yeah, so guys, this is my Google Chrome account. So I've actually brought it to Google Chrome. So it's good you get all those information. So in case you're trying to get the app and you have that stuff, make sure you use Google Chrome. So I've clicked on it again and I'm seeing the same thing. So I mean, it's maybe my browser is not up to date or something, but please try as much as possible to see if you can download the app. But for my case, it wasn't downloading. I'm gonna try again later on, but for this video it has to continue, so I'm going to continue making the video. So you can also use the website anyhow, whichever one works for you. So yeah, so I'm going to log in now. Okay, I'm going to try and log in, and then once we are in, and then I'm going to, once we are in now, then I'm going to show you exactly how to recharge and withdraw from the platform, even how to stake so that you can make money. So guys, I just logged in the app right now. So this is the app, and we have gone through all of this other stuff from the previous video, just from the beginning of the video, sorry. So right now, how can we recharge from the platform? So it's pretty much very easy. So as you can see here, there's this recharge button right here. So all you need to do is to click on this recharge, and you have several options to recharge. We have this one, we have TRC20, we have Trans, we have BNB, we have also this one. So there are so many options to withdraw. Now, whichever method you're going to be using, make sure you are sending money to the right network, and every recharge has its own instructions. So make sure you read all of these instructions accurately and understand it. But it's pretty much very simple. So all you just need to do is to copy this stuff and go to your wallet. So whichever method you want to use, you need to select them. Okay, so you can see TRS20. Once you do that, it's going to bring your Tron's address. You copy it from here, and then once you copy it, you go to your crypto wallet address and send the funds. Now once you've recharged, because I already have some money on the platform here, but once you recharge, you're going to see that it's going to display here. So in my case, I already have $21 here recharged in my wallet, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can now use this money to stake and make more profits. And then later I'll show you exactly how you can use this withdrawal option, because this is the most important, this is the most fun part of everything. So now, how can you stake, how can you make money from it? So if you come over here and if you go to their staking stuff, you're going to see that if you scroll down, you're going to see it has different packages and different times. So depending on how much you want to stake, you can always adjust this, and you can adjust how it's going to stay for and the period of time it's going to stay. So if I choose this one, if I adjust this one to, like, let's say 7 USD, and I say 1 day, so as you can see, we're going to earn 13% per day and 0.91% every 24 hours, and then in one day we'll earn 0.91 USDT. So if I also take it from here, if I take this stuff from 7 days, from 7 USD, and I push it up to, let's say, like next one here, and then let's see, can I push this one? Okay, yes, let me push this one here to like 365 days. So if I push it to 365 days, if I put it here at $7 at 365 days, you're going to see we are going to earn this amount of money as well in 365 days. So if I want to stake now, it's pretty much very simple. All I just need to do is to click on this stake, and once I click on it, as you can see, it says confirm stake of 7 USDT for 365 days. So if we are good to go by this, we just click on confirm, and boom, this is actually going to show. As you can see, it says the number of days is incorrect. Okay, I think I still need to adjust it. I did not adjust it properly. Let me adjust it. Okay, stay with me. So one thing is, you can actually click on it and adjust the numbers the way you want it. So I just put in 1 USD for 31 days, and this is the amount of funds we're going to be making. So if I click on stake now, it's going to say the amount $7 is the minimum. Okay, so it's good you know that. So I'm going to use $7 in 31 days, and this is the amount you're expected to earn right here. We're expected to earn these figures right here. So if you're good to go, if I click on stake now, as you can see, it says we should confirm it for 31 days. If I click on confirm now, it's actually going to, it says incorrect. So let me try reduce the date to like 1 day, $7 for 1 day. Then let me stake, let me confirm. As you can see, stake is successful. So I think if you're going to do $7, you can do like 1 day or 2 days or 3 or 1 week, and then if you increase the numbers, then you can have those amounts increase. So we have actually staked, and we are going to be earning, as you can see here, we're going to be earning 13%. Look at it here. For the next 1 day, the profit is going to be added to our account. And if you scroll down here, you're going to find the details of the order that we just did just right here. So you want to make sure you go ahead to follow everything you need to know about the platform, and you do exactly just what I've done, but you can invest more money as you want. So you can invest, I just use $7 to start. You can use $21 and change it to 31 days, so that, for instance, I can see something like $21 here, and then change this one to like 365 days, but I'm going to say 31 days. You're going to see the amount you're expected to earn in that amount of time. Look at it. So it's pretty much very simple, and we're going to be earning 14% per day, and this is the amount we're earning for 24 hours, and this is the amount we'll be earning for in the next 31 days. So very much easy, and we can now click on stake if we are good to go, and that order will be added right here. Now, since we already know exactly how to stake and how to go ahead and invest the money, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your funds, so which is the most important part of all of this. So if you want to withdraw, this is the withdrawal section here. So if you click on withdraw right now, it's going to bring us straight to this part. Now this is the amount I have available for withdrawal right now, so I'm going to try and withdraw it. Okay, so but if you want to withdraw, you see that we have two sections. We have few options. So we have this network, this BIP20 USDT, and we have this Trons network as well. So you want to make sure you are carefully selecting the network you want to use. So right now we are going to enter our withdrawal address and withdrawal amount, enter our security pass, and it's going to tell us when the fund is going to arrive. So for us to get that, make sure you already have all of these things handy. So I'm going to specifically go ahead now and get my wallet addresses. So I'm going to get my wallet address from Trust Wallet. So whichever one you're using, try as much as possible to get your wallet address. So this is the Trust Wallet I'm going to be using, and if you scroll down here, you're going to see that this is the network we are supposed to use. So this is the B20. Look at it. Be very, very conversant with it. So this is it. This is the B20 and it's USDT. So if I click on receive now, we're going to have the wallet address. So this is the receive and this is the wallet address. If you look at this section here, you see that it matches what we are trying to do. So only send Tedra USD BIP20 asset to this address. Other assets will be lost forever. So make sure you're using the right network. If not, the funds will be lost forever. Or you can also use Trons like I showed you, but I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to copy this right here. Once I copy it, I'm going to go back to the app and then I'm going to paste the wallet address right here. So if I click on paste, withdraw amount, I'll just see all the funds in the account, which is 2.940. Withdrawal, the minimum is 2, the maximum is I think this is like 20,000 or 200,000, I don't know. So the security pass, I'm going to enter my security pass. So I'm going to enter this and continue making the video. So I've gone ahead and entered my security pass now. So I'm going to click on confirm and withdrawal should be made. So as you can see, withdrawal successful. We have successfully placed our withdrawal. Very simple, very easy. So this is the instructions on how you can, on what you can do. So the normal arrival time is 1 to 5 minutes. It should be delayed if there is a block in congestion. So that's the only time it's going to be delayed. But right now we have made the withdrawal live on the video, and I've also shown you exactly how to invest live in this video, and I've shown you exactly how to deposit also. So these are all the things you need to know. If you have any question, tell us. So if you want, I just received the alerts right now. So let's go to Trust Wallet. That's good. Trust Wallet, let's go and see if the money has come in. So if I go back here, if I refresh, let's come down, look at the notification here. The money just entered our account, 2.94 USDT. So if I go back here at Trust Wallet here, let me try and see if I can refresh and it shows. Oops, it's not showing up. But let me exit the platform. But you have seen the, look at my notification and you should see this Trust Wallet notification around the immediately just now and I received. So I'm going to open my Trust Wallet app again and see if I can find it, and so that I can show you guys. So what's happening? Why is it not here? Okay, let me go ahead to click the notification and see. Okay, same thing. Okay, look at it, guys. I don't know what's wrong with it, but look at it. Actually, the money just arrived, 2.94. So this actually works very much easy. So guys, if you have not signed up, use the link I have in the description box below, and make sure you sign up properly so that you can start earning for yourself as well. So sign up, start earning and start depositing so that you can withdraw your profit. So I will see you guys in the next video. If you don't have any question, if you have any question, tell me in the comment section and I will consider making the video for you. So one good stuff is you can contact them at any time. This moving objects here, if you click on it, you can see there are various contact support channels. So go ahead, use the platform. This platform uses advanced technology, tricks free to manage your funds accurately. So thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next video.